We miss you a lot.
Yeah.
We're having a sleepover, and we're thinking about our roommates, our J4 girls.
We miss you.
We miss you a ton. We're really excited to see you on June 9th.
We're excited to see your car, too.
Oh, your car, your cruiser. I want you to drive me around. You've never driven me before. Remember, I don't believe you have your license.
Yep.
I still don't, even though you have a car.
Anyway.
We're just hanging out here at my dad's, using the internet. Sweet life we have.
Yep. Checking it all out.
Yep. We miss you lots, and we cannot wait to see you on June 9th. That's gonna be really fun. I can give you a hug and see your beautiful face and listen to your beautiful laugh. It will be great.
Beautiful laugh.
Beautiful laugh? Oh no.
Oh no, you didn't.
Oh no, you didn't. George has some words.
Hey, Katie. What's up? No, I don't. Actually.
Okay. Well, moral of our story is we love you and we miss you. And we hope you are doing well and that you have a good week. And pretty soon we'll get to see you. So we love you and hope you're having a good night. Bye.